In this video, you will learn how to voice lead secondary seventh chords. There are 5 common seventh chords: major, dominant, minor, half diminished, and full diminished. A major seventh chord is composed of a major triad and a major seventh. A dominant seventh chord is composed of a major triad and a minor seventh, which is a chord you already know from previous videos. A minor seventh chord is composed of a minor triad and a minor seventh. A half diminished seventh chord is composed of a diminished triad and a minor seventh. A full diminished seventh chord is composed of a diminished triad and a diminished seventh. The seventh chords may be used anywhere their corresponding triads are used. Fifths. This group of chords almost doubles your opportunity to write parallel fifths. There are perfect fifths between the root and the fifth in the major seventh chord, the dominant seventh chord, and the minor seventh chord. There are perfect fifths between the third and the seventh in the major seventh chord, the minor seventh chord, and the half diminished seventh chord. Inversions. Because of a large number of available perfect fifths and generally smoother voice leading, the seventh chords are used extensively in inversions. They're the same as the 5/7 inversions in a previous video. 2/7 to 5 to 1 cadences. The 2/7 is the most commonly used of these secondary seventh chords. It is usually inverted to the 2/6/5. Its most common resolution is to a 5 chord in a cadential pattern. Almost anything except a 5 chord or a diminished 7 chord may come before the 2 chord. It is not possible to prepare the 7th of a 5/7 from a complete 2/6/5 chord. Therefore, the 2/6/5 usually goes to a 5 triad, and then the 7th is prepared from there. Half diminished 7/7 resolutions. This chord resolves to a 1 chord, but not without a struggle. The perfect fifth between the 3rd and the 7th of the chord is the problem. It tends to create parallel fifths, or lead to a double 3rd in the 1 chord. There are 2 ways around this. When possible, put the 3rd of the half diminished 7/7 above the 7ths. This leads to parallel fourths instead of parallel fifths. The other way is to resolve the 5th of the half diminished 7/7 up. This is a weak resolution of the tritone between the root and the 5th. It leads to a 1 chord with a doubled 5th. The half diminished 7/6/5 chord is a problem because the 5th between the 3rd and the 7th cannot be avoided. The half diminished 7/4/3 offers some hope. Note the skip in the bass, common with 4/3 chords. The half diminished 7/2 is rare except in very close positions and in sequences. The full diminished 7/7 resolutions. The full diminished 7th chord is the most useful newcomer in this group. It has no perfect fifths, so parallel fifths are impossible. That's nice. It also has 2 tritones, and usually at least one of these is resolved. The tritone resolutions follow the standard rule for all augmented and diminished intervals. Augmented intervals expand, and diminished intervals contract. There are 3 ways to resolve the full diminished 7/7 chord to the 1 chord. Each way doubles a different member of the 1 chord. First way resolves both tritones and doubles the 3rd of the 1 chord. The next 2 resolve only 1. This one doubles the root of the 1 chord. This one doubles the 5th of the 1 chord. Half diminished 2/7 to 5/7 to 1. This is similar to the 2 to 5 to 1 pattern. It works much better in a 2 to 5 environment. This can be inverted to a half diminished 4/3 to a 5 pattern by exchanging the note B and the note D. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.